Today we are going to learn how to solve a given quadratic equation. So, solution of a quadratic equation. To solve a quadratic equation, we are having three methods. One is called factorization method, the other one is called completing the square, method, and the third one, it is called quadratic formula. So we'll learn one by one. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to use factorization method to solve a quadratic equation. Factorization method you have learnt in your 9th class also, which is known as middle term split also. So let us take example. Let me say we are having a quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. When we solve a quadratic equation, what we will get? We will get its solution or roots, right? We will get its solution or roots. So solving a quadratic equation means we are going to find its roots or solution. Okay. So here you see this is written in standard form. Okay. So our constant term is 2 and coefficient of x square is 6. 6 multiplied 2 is 12. So we have to think about two numbers whose multiplication is 12. Okay, and the sign of constant term is negative, and by subtracting those two numbers, what should we get? The coefficient of x is 1. So we are going to think two numbers whose multiplication is 6 to the 12. What is the sign of constant term? Minus. And whose those two, if we subtract those two numbers, what should we get? Here coefficient of x is 1. So that is 4 and 3. 4 into 3 is 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1, right? So we'll apply it here, right? So this I can take 6x square minus x minus 2. So 6x square minus coefficient is 1. In place of this 1 we'll write this part, that is 4 minus 3 into x minus 2, right? So 4 minus 3 is 1 here, right? 6x square minus, this is 4x minus minus plus 3x minus 2. Okay, right? So you can put here 0 also. So from first two terms we can take common, that is 2x. So 2 3 is 6, x minus 2 to the 4, plus here you cannot see anything common, so take one common, 3x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Then 3x minus 2 is same, so it means we are doing right. So we can take 3x minus 2 common. Taking 3x minus 2 common, so what we'll have here? 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now how to find the roots or the solution? When, so you'll take two parts. When once 3x minus 2 equals to 0, and when 2x plus 1 equals to 0. When 3x minus 2 equals to 0, 3x equals to 2, so x will be 2 by 3. and when 2x plus 1 equals to 0, it means 2x equals to minus 1, so x equals to minus 1 by 2. So we can say that 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Same questions you will find. Question number 1, exercise 4.2, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So you have to use this method. Then let us move to question number 3 here. Now, which is a statement question. Question number 3, exercise 4.2. So question number 3 is what? Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So there are two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let us consider, let one number out of those two numbers be x. So therefore the other number will be what? Sum was 27, one is x, so the other one will be what? 27 minus x. Okay. The sum of two numbers is given 27. I have taken one number as x, so the other number will be what? 27 minus x. Then also it is given that according to the question that, and their product is 182. Product of first number multiplied by second number is 182. So first number is what? X. Multiply second number is what? 27 minus x equals to is given what? 182. Okay. Then multiply x into 27 is 27x minus x square equals to 182, which we can write as x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. Okay, writing in standard form. Now we are having a quadratic equation. Now we are going to solve it. Now you see our constant term is 182 and the coefficient of x square is 1. So by multiplying we need 182 and by adding we need 27. So what are the numbers? They are, so we can write as 14 and 13. 14 plus 13 is 27 and 14 multiplied 13 is 182. So we can write x square minus in brackets 14 plus 13 into x plus 182 equals to 0. So x square minus 14x minus plus is minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. Taking common from first two, that is x common, x minus 14, then this minus sign, then you will take common 13 from here. So x, whenever minus sign is here, it means you have to change this sign. So it will be minus 13 into 14 is 182 equals to 0. So you see x minus 14, x minus 14. Take x minus 14 common. So what is remaining? X minus 13 equals to 0, right? So when x minus 14 equals to 0, x is 14, and when x minus 13 equals to 0, so x equals to 13. So how we are going to write our answer here? So our number was x. If so, therefore, if x is 14, so first number will be 14 and the second number will be 27 minus x. 27 minus 14, that is 13. And if x is 13, first number will be 13 and second number will be 27 minus 13, that is 14. Right?